Good morning, granddaughter.
Good morning, Grandma.
What do you think we ought to make today?
I think we should make French bread. Can we make it low sodium?
Yes.
Awesome. I'm going to enjoy it when I'm done with my work.
Oh, you got homework today.
Yeah, I have a little bit to do.
Well, Joe, you better go get your homework done. I'll make the French bread. You can eat it when it gets done.
Awesome. Thank you.
All righty, let's go. Have a big bowl here. We're going to end up using 2.5 to 3 cups of all-purpose flour, but we're going to start with 1 cup in this big bowl. There's 1 cup, 1 tablespoon of white granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of canola oil for high heat cooking. We've got 1 tablespoon of Hain featherweight baking powder, no sodium, and we've got 1 tablespoon of ENERG baking soda substitute. Both of these are ordered from Amazon or Healthy Heart Market, and you really need these for a low sodium kitchen. And we've got 1 cup of warm bottled water with no sodium. Put this in here, mix it with my mixer on medium until it's really mixed well. And it's got 2¼ teaspoons of bread machine instant rise yeast, because that's the only yeast I've got right now. Just wanted to mix it. Then we're going to stir in the rest of the flour until the dough is not sticky anymore. I'll add a cup at a time. Just add a cup at a time. Stir it until we're not sticky anymore. Smells good. Really smells good. Okay. We're not going to add all of that at once, because we just want to make sure that we got it in here. Yep. Then we'll knead it. Okay. We'll knead it. Well, probably about 5 minutes. So, I'll knead this. Then, I'll show you what it looks like. The dough needs to be smooth and elastic. I kneaded our bread right inside of this bowl. No need to mess up another surface. And it's beautiful. Just beautiful. I'll show you. Okay, this is what the dough looks like. It's smooth, got little bubbles in it. It's elastic. You can move it out. And so, now, the dough goes in another bowl that's got oil and it's been greased. So, we're just put it in, turn it over. Now it's got oil on both sides. Then I'm going to cover it with this plastic wrap. Keep it nice and warm. Let it rise for about 30 minutes. My bread has been rising for half an hour, and it's way beautiful, doubled in size. I wrapped it in a towel. Keep it warm. Keep it warm. We're going to turn our oven on 400 degrees to preheat. Punch our bread down, fold a little bit. Take our 5x9-inch loaf pan, spray it with a little bit of non-stick, and I like to use the kind that's got the flour inside. Now, we're going to pour our bread into a loaf and put it in the loaf pan. Then we will put the plastic wrap back on top and then cover it with the towel can. Keep it nice and warm. For another half hour. We want it to rise again. Looking good. So that's the next thing we're going to do. Let it rise. We'll form it into a loaf if we're going to make a loaf of French bread. Or we can cut off pieces, roll them into baguettes. Take your sharp knife, put a little slit down there, let them rise on a baking sheet and bake them. And you will have baguettes. You can have small ones or you can make a long one. Either way, good bread coming your way. Subscribe to my channel, and every Friday you'll get a brand new low sodium video. You just never know what Judy's going to put out there, and you don't want to miss anything. For our baguettes, our French bread, none of the ingredients have any sodium per serving. That doesn't mean if you didn't eat the whole loaf you might get a little bit of sodium. Not much. Here's our bread after 30 minutes in the oven. Here it is, and if you knock on it, it's got kind of a hollow sound to it. It's our French bread.
It looks good.
It does look good, doesn't it, Jill? We're going to turn it over and put it on a cutting board here. So, you can make baguettes, you can make French bread, you can make long rolls of baguettes. Have fun with this. Now, we're going to cut some bread and we're going to have a taste with butter on it.
Ooh,
Okay,
yeah.
Jill, there you go. And, oh yeah, and we've got some soft butter over here that we're going to use.
That smells so good.
Oh, Jill, look. Soft butter in the butter keeper. Yes. Here we go. It's fun to cook with you.
It's fun to cook with you too.
I'm glad. We're having a good day. Oh, this is hot
Big of
and
one.
good and French bread, folks. No sodium per serving. It can't get much lower than that. Oh, this is good. I think I got to share this with my daughters. What do you think?
I think
Okay.
so. They'll like it.
Granddaughter and did you get your homework done?
I did.
Good girl. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Bite.
That's good, Grandma.
It's French bread.
That's really good.
This is French bread. Good.
You did a good job.
We did a good job. Good job, Joe.